Open doors, bright white walls, little paws on the shiny floor. Name tag shining, calm and sure. Dr. Matthew